is actually very easy to use. We need the receiver, we need the radio transmitter, and in our case we need the lavalier type of microphone. A phone or a DSLR won't be able to keep up with the walking distance. As you can see, if I'm going further away, you're not going to hear me anymore. This is one of the easiest comparison we've had to do so far, and I'm just going to show you why. Basically, you can go up to 50 meters in any direction, and the sound is still on. You can still hear me, right? And I'm just over here, and I can go even further up to the point you're not going to see me anymore, but this just shows how good it is.